Ever wondered how to eat for just $20 in a week? Welcome to the world where frugality meets nutrition. We'll show you how to dine well on a budget. We'll delve into meal planning, smart shopping, and home cooking. All about stretching your dollar without sacrificing your health or taste. The savings can fund your next vacation, debt payment, or offer financial comfort. Stay as we break down a full week's meal plan that won't break the bank. The secret to eating on a budget starts with planning. Indeed, a well-crafted plan can lead to a week of affordable meals. Visualize the week ahead, considering meals and snack times. Keep your budget in mind while planning your meals. Prioritize meals that are economical, nutritious, and easy to prepare. The trick is to pick ingredients that are versatile and can be used in multiple meals, reducing cost. Take a bag of rice, for instance. It's cheap, filling, and can be used throughout the week. Like carrots or bell peppers are also versatile. Include proteins like eggs, beans, lentils for their cost-effectiveness. Remember, eating on a budget shouldn't compromise your health. Opt for whole grains, fresh produce, and include a good source of protein. Keep it simple. The simpler the meals, the better it is for your budget, time, and stress. Now that we have our plan, move on to the next step. With our menu planned, it's time to hit the stores. To remain within budget, strategize your shopping. Plan your route based on your list to curb impulse purchases. Buy in bulk when it benefits, and opt for store brands over name brands to save cash. Keep an eye on discounts and consider signing up for store loyalty programs. Be stringent with your list to keep your budget in line, but be flexible based on deals, compromising on nutrition. With our groceries in hand, it's time to start cooking. The kitchen is where the magic happens. It's a space where simple ingredients evolve into mouth-watering meals. It's not just a joyful activity, but economically smart. We control the cost when we cook at home. Choosing seasonal ingredients and making our own sauces can cut down expenses. We also control the nutritional value. For example, breakfast can be oatmeal with bananas, lunch be tuna on whole grain bread, and dinner, a vegetable stir-fry. Affordable and nutritious cooking is within our reach. With some planning, meals can be delicious and economical. And just like that, you've prepared a week's worth of meals on a budget. So, how do we eat for just $20 in a week? We began with a strategic menu, focusing on budget-friendly yet nutritious food. The key was not just picking favorites, but choosing meals using affordable ingredients. Then, we smartly shopped, comparing prices, choosing store brands, and buying bulk. Strictly following our shopping list, we sought out discounts and coupons. In the kitchen, we maximized our resources, cooking in batches, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These actions culminated in a total cost under $20. This experiment demonstrated that budget eating doesn't mean sacrificing taste or nutrition. It's about making wise decisions, smart shopping, and inventive cooking. With a little planning and creativity, you can eat well on a budget. Thanks for joining us on this culinary journey. Until next time, happy budget eating.